Yeah, I just wanted to show everybody how I made this fishing rig for the Phantom 4. It's basically just a coat hanger that I bent with a little bit of a ramp right here, and it comes down and it attaches to the skids of the Phantom 4 with just masking tape. I used masking tape because it's easy just to pull on and off whenever you want to fly it afterwards. So basically all you do is you put a loop on your line, so you attach it to a swivel on your line with a loop, so your bait hangs down from this ramp right here, and the line goes to the fishing pole. So you just put that on and you fly out away from the beach, and then when you get far enough out, however far you want to go, when you're ready to release the bait, you just turn the drone around, and then you give a little tug on the fishing pole, and it just pops right off the ramp and falls down into the water. So it's essentially a long distance casting machine. After you release it into the water, you just fly back to the beach, and that's it. It's very simple, very easy. It's a coat hanger. Bend it into shape, tape it onto your skids, and it works really well. That's it. Thanks.